What was my favorite topic I have learned in science this year? By Alex, myself. My favorite topic that I learned about this year in science is earthquakes. Why did I choose earthquakes? I chose earthquakes as my favorite topic because earthquakes have a big impact on the world. Earthquakes cause both destruction and movement of continents, which is how our world is made today. What is an earthquake? An earthquake is a sudden and violent shaking of the ground, sometimes causing great destruction, as a result of movements within the Earth's crust or volcanic action. This definition leads into our next question. What is tectonic plates? Tectonic plates are pieces of Earth crust and an uppermost mantle together, referred to as the lithosphere. What happens when the Earth's plates move? The Earth's plates or tectonic plates move away together or slide past each other. These are called divergent, convergent, and transform boundaries. When these tectonic plates move, the fault lines get disturbed and release energy, causing the earthquakes. What happens during an earthquake? During and after the earthquake, the plate of rocks start moving, and they continue to move. When this happens, depending on the type of earthquake, the Earth's crust is transformed. Mountains, valleys, or other effects may happen. Also, if there is civilization, buildings, or other man-made objects may be destroyed. How is the strength of an earthquake measured? The Richter scale measures the magnitude of an earthquake. As an earthquake can be powerful, the average magnitude of an earthquake is 2.5 and less. Japan has the most earthquakes per year. Japan has the most earthquakes per year because the Philippine plate is crashing into the Pacific Ocean. Well, my favorite part about learning of what a earthquake is when every day when we walk into your class, we had to sit down and had to find the top 5 largest or most destructive earthquakes. That was very fun because it gave us a challenge that I have not done before. My favorite activity was when we had the slinkies and had to remake the earthquakes. We had to video what an earthquake looks like, and it was a good bonding time with our classmates. Our little activity really helped us understand what it is going on, made the class 10 times better than it was. These activities or labs that we did really made a good bond with you and people we have not met before. Highest magnitude earthquake. The highest magnitude earthquake was a 9.5. This earthquake happened in 1960 in Chile. This earthquake was a big and destructive and killed about 1,600 people. This is a lot of deaths, but the biggest part of this earthquake is that it left 2 million people homeless. That's a lot of people. In our day, we need to be grateful of what we had and where we are because we could have been those people. In conclusion, all in all, this year was fun for science. Hopefully, it will be the same next year, as I could have picked a lot of other fun things we did in science. Earthquakes are my favorite.